International School will escort today's virtual event with the top-notch students and teachers of PBG International School. First, we start our ravishing morning with the name of all-powerful Allah. Muhammad Samal from 5th standard affix us with that supreme. I will appeal to all of you to stay hushed and close your eyes for the recitation of Quran Pak. Muhammad Samal from 5th standard.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى الآخرة خير لك من سوف يعطيك ربك فترضى لم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah, Jazakallah. As you all know that today's event is about Kashmir and the people of Kashmir. Me, Miss Mehvish, on behalf of KG class, like to say few words for the honor of Kashmir. खून में डूबी हुई तस्वीर हूँ मैं खून में डूबी हुई तस्वीर हूँ मैं कश्मीर हूँ मैं कश्मीर हूँ मैं No one, no one can imagine the size and magnitude of the problem in Kashmir. Yes, everyone, no one. No one can imagine the troubles of people in Kashmir because we are just spectators. Spectators, we are for nothing. Spectators, we are for having no courage because we can do nothing. Spectators, we are for what is being done in Kashmir and still there is. Unclaimed bodies abandoned mercilessly in the bleak alley of this dark city. Oh God, could anybody come forward and help me out? Sister must have looked around. Mothers have waited at the doors. Old father must have gazed around. A Kashmiri is burned to death brutally, an unclaimed body abandoned mercilessly. Wet eyes, trembling lips, sound of wailing mournful. रोती नहीं कभी भी शहीदों से लिपट कर रोती नहीं कभी भी शहीदों से लिपट कर ये हौसला मेरी कश्मीर की माओं का है Their descendants have generation after generation laid down their lives for freedom and inshallah that day is not that far when Kashmir will be free याराने जहां कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत याराने जहां कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत जन्नत कभी किसी काफिर को मिली है न मिलेगी Thank you everyone. Now I want to invite Ma'am Rida to inspire us all with her thoughts and represent her class 1. Ma'am Rida from class 1.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Rida from class teacher of grade 1 and I am teaching at OPVG International School. Okay, as you all know, today is Kashmir Day. So I would like to share my few thoughts on Kashmir Day. Up in the north, away from all pain, there's a land of pure where angels descend and live between the rivers and trees. There's a place known as Kashmir. We stand together as a nation today, for we cannot see our heaven bleed. Kashmir belongs to Pakistan and Pakistan belongs to Kashmir. Thank you. Okay, so now I would like to call Mayan Zuhair to share his thoughts upon Kashmir Day. Mayan Zuhair from grade 1.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zuhair. I am from grade 1. मैं आपको कुछ आज कश्मीर के बारे में बताऊंगा। चलो कश्मीर चले। यहाँ बर्फ गिरती है। पत्थरों के नीचे फूल खिलते हैं। यहाँ चश्मे उबलते हैं। यहाँ बारिश बरसती है। बरसती बारिश में भी कसार चलती है। चलो कश्मीर
Okay, thank you, Mayan Zuhair. Thank you very much, beta. Now I would like to call Salwa Fahad for sharing her words on Day of Kashmir. Salwa Fahad from grade 1.
Today my Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is on Kashmir Day. Kashmir Day is the holiday in Pakistan. Kashmir Day is on 5th February each year. It has two capitals, Jammu and Srinagar. Kashmiris want their rights on this day. Kashmir should be peaceful place because Kashmir is a heaven on earth. We stand with Kashmir. Thank you.
Okay, Salwa, thank you so much. So this was grade 1 representing Kashmir Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now I would like to call Manal from KG class. She will recite a poem. Manal from KG.
बेटियां कश्मीर की हाथ में पत्थर लिए बेटियां कश्मीर की कुड्डू में निकली आजादियां कश्मीर की कब तक जुल्म करोगे कश्मीर पर कब तक जुल्म करोगे कश्मीर पर पूछती वादियां कश्मीर की मेरे अल्लाह तोड़ तब्ज़िम की चीर को मेरे अल्लाह तोड़ तब्ज़िम की चीर को मेरे मौला दे दे आज़ादी कश्मीर को आमीन
आमीन आमीन। सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून वहां का। सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून वहां का। एक बस्ती है जैसे लोग कश्मीर कहते हैं। Now I would like to request to Ma'am Maham to stimulate us all with her opinion and stand for her grade 2. Ma'am Maham from grade 2.
Thank you, Miss Mavish. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Miss Maham and I'm teacher of grade 2. I'm teaching at OPVG International School. I want to say just few lines for Kashmir. As Pakistan has long historical, cultural, religious, ethnic, and geographical ties with Kashmir and its people. Kashmiris have always attached their identity with Pakistan, but the oppressive regime of India is seizing their dream of freedom and annexation with Pakistan. But no force on earth can separate our hearts apart. The fate of Kashmir is with Pakistan. Now I'm inviting Miss Harir Wakas from grade 2 who will show her love and passion for Kashmir through her speech. Miss Harir Wakas. Miss Harir Wakas. Please unmute your mic, Harir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arubakas. I am in grade 2. Respected principal, teacher, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. मैं सर पे कफन बांधे आया हूँ मेरी वादी मैं सर पे कफन बांधे आया हूँ मेरी वादी आखिरी मंजिल है कश्मीर की आजादी Today's topic of my speech is Kashmir Day. Today's topic of my speech is Kashmir Day. It is a lifeline of Pakistan. It is a part of Pakistan. People of Kashmir are struggling for independence from rule of India. India has killed thousands of ancestors who asked for right of independence, but unfortunately, the international community is not paying attention to this injustice and cruelty. Pakistan is and will be always side of Kashmir. On this day, I want to show the world that Kashmir belongs to Pakistan, Pakistan belongs to Kashmir. We will stand firm with our Kashmiri brothers and sisters. We will raise our voice for them until they see the dawn of freedom. हम हार ना मानेंगे कि है दो ज़माने से कश्मीर हमारा है कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.
Thank you, Harir. This is only from grade 2.
Thank you so much. Now I'm gonna plead to Ma'am Saman to motivate us all with her perception and take the place of her class 3. Ma'am Saman from class 3. Ma'am Saman from class 3.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Saman Wakas and I'm a part of a OPBG. I'm a teacher of grade 3. So, we all celebrate this Kashmir Day, but very few people know about the history of Kashmir Day. So I want to share the history why we celebrate this day. Kashmir, from 1947, the Kashmir has its separate identification. So that's why when when the Pakistan and India became the countries, separate countries, the Kashmir remained undivided. So the Muslim of the Kashmiris, because there are 80% people who are Muslim in Kashmir, they wanted to become the part of Pakistan, but India doesn't want to give this beautiful land to Pakistan. So in 1990, Qazi Hussain Ahmed calls to observe the Kashmir Day, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan in 1990, Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, make this day as a Kashmir Day, and we celebrated this day for our Kashmiri brothers and sisters. Okay, now I would like to call Ayan Naveed from grade 3 to share his feeling about Kashmir. Ayan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ayana Naveed. I am from grade 3. Honorable principal, respected teachers, and all my friends. Today the topic on which I'm going to talk about is Kashmir Day. Kashmir is a beautiful area as heaven, the land of beautiful mountains, lake and garden. Kashmir is a part of Pakistan, but India does not want a beautiful area of Kashmir to Pakistan. Peoples are dying, children are crying, but all of Kashmiris just have sing slogan on their lips. Kashmir banega Pakistan, Kashmir banega Pakistan. 11 ने जहाँ कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, जन्नत किसी काफिर को मिली है न मिलेगी. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayan. Ayan is the only student from grade 3.
Okay, thank you so much. جہاں پودوں سے نکلتے ہیں خون کے آنسو، جہاں پودوں سے نکلتے ہیں خون کے آنسو، وہاں انسان رہتے ہیں جسے کشمیر کہتے ہیں. Now I wish to encourage Ma'am Sadaf to influence us all with her abstraction and picture her class 4. Ma'am Sadaf from class 4.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ms. Sadaf Babar from OPVG International School and I am teacher of grade 4. On the day of Kashmir, I want to say that we, the people of Pakistan, since the day of our independence, are fully supporting the Kashmiri people for their liberation from occupied Indian forces. We all are solidating with Kashmiris on this day for their right of self-determination. بندوقوں کے سامنے پتھروں سے لڑتے ہیں، اتنی شہادتوں کے بعد بھی کشمیری کہاں ڈرتے ہیں. بڑے تو بڑے بچے بھی آگے بڑھتے ہیں، آزادی کیا چیز ہے بچے بھی یہ سمجھتے ہیں. اور کوئی ہو نہ ہو ہم آج یہ عہد کرتے ہیں، معصوم کشمیریوں کی آواز پر سارے پاکستانی لبیک کرتے ہیں. About the crisis of Kashmir, now I would like to call Ikra Naseem from grade 4 to say something. Yes, Ikra Naseem from grade 4.
Honorable teachers and fellows, my name is Ikra. I am a student of grade 4. Today I will talk about the crisis in Kashmir. Kashmir is occupied by Indian Army in 1947 at the time of creation of Pakistan. Pakistan is free and independent country, but Kashmir is still burning issue between India and Pakistan till now. Kashmir is bleeding and people of Kashmir are suffering a lot. I pray to Allah for Kashmir people for their freedom. ہاتھوں میں پتھر لے شہزادیاں کشمیر کی ڈھونڈنے نکلی ہیں آزادیاں کشمیر کی. کشمیر بنے گا پاکستان.
Very good, Ikra. زمین کی جنت نہ بنایا جاتا مجھے، اس طرح اتنا نہ ستایا جاتا مجھے. Now I would like to call Safan Asif from grade 4 for speech. Yes, Safan, unmute your mic.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. سروں پہ کبر و غرور کیوں ہے، دلوں کے شیشوں پہ زنگ کیوں ہے. خدائے برتر تیری زمین پر، خدائے برتر تیری زمین پر، زمین کی خاطر یہ جنگ کیوں ہے. زمین بھی تیری ہے ہم بھی تیرے، زمین بھی تیری ہے ہم بھی تیرے، یہ ملکیت کا سوال کیوں ہے. یہ قتل و خون کا رواج کیا ہے، یہ رسم جنگ و جدال کیوں ہے. غریب ماں اور شریف بہنوں اوم انہیں عزت کی زندگی دے، جنہیں عطا کی ہے تو نے طاقت انہیں ہدایت کی روشنی دے. آمین. محترمہ پرنسپل صاحبہ، معزز اساتذہ اور میرے پیارے ساتھیوں، السلام علیکم. آج میری تقریر کا موضوع ہے یوم کشمیر. کشمیر جسے زمین پر جنت بھی کہا جاتا ہے، مگر یہ جنت ایک عرصے سے آگ کی لپیٹ میں ہے. یہ وہی کشمیر ہے جسے قائد اعظم رحمۃ اللہ علیہ نے پاکستان کی شیرہ قرار دیا تھا، اور آج کئی سالوں کی طویل مدت کے بعد بھی کشمیریوں کے دشمنوں کے قبضے میں ہے. वहाँ आज भी कश्मीरियों पर जुल्म और ज्यादती के पहाड़ तोड़े जा रहे हैं, जहाँ तड़पती सकती माएं, बेबस भाई, लाचार बहनें, जहाँ मजलूम बाप और बिन माँ बाप के मासूम से बच्चे उन मुजालिम का शिकार हैं। आज के दिन हम तमाम पाकिस्तानी अपने कश्मीरी बहन भाइयों से यकजहती का इजहार करते हैं और ये दुआ करते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला फिर से एक मोहम्मद बिन कासिम भेजकर अपने मजलूम बंदों को आजादी की नेमत अदा फरमाए। आमीन। अपना है अज़ल से जो वो कैसे तुम्हारा है, अपना है अज़ल से जो वो कैसे तुम्हारा है, कश्मीर हमारा है, कश्मीर हमारा है, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, कश्मीर जिंदाबाद। थैंक यू।
well done Safan, well done. चलो कश्मीर चलते हैं, जहां पे बर्फ गिरती है, जहां पत्थर के नीचे फूल खिलते हैं, जहां चश्मे उबलते हैं, जहां बारिश बरसती है, बरसती बारिशों में भी जहां कोहसार जलते हैं। चलो कश्मीर चलते हैं। Now I would like to call Abdullah Masood from class 4 to describe the beauty of the Kashmir. Yes, Abdullah Masood.
Honorable teachers, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my speech is Kashmir Day. Kashmir is a piece of heaven on this earth. The sky-kissing mountains, the tall trees, the twisting lakes, and a lush green scenery add and invite to our eyes. Nobody can deny the God-gifted beauty of this land. But alas, the inhabitants of Kashmir have been suffering from slavery since 1947. Kashmir Day is observed by people throughout Pakistan and Azad Jammu Kashmir. It's a recognized day observed by people, predominantly Kashmiris worldwide. At the end, I just want to say the entire Muslim world should raise its voice in the favor of Kashmiris. Even Pakistan should show zero tolerance over this matter. The Kashmir issue will soon be resolved and Kashmir should be announced as an independent Muslim state, inshallah. एक हो मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, एक हो मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, नील के साहिल से लेकर ताब खाके काशगर. Thank you.
Well done, Abdullah Masood. Thank you, everyone.
थैंक यू। और कोई हो ना हो हम आज अहद करते हैं, और कोई हो ना हो हम आज अहद करते हैं, मासूम कश्मीरियों की आवाज पर सारे पाकिस्तानी लब्बैक कहते हैं, लब्बैक कहते हैं। Now I should like to seek Ma'am Aisha to uplift us with her feeling on this day and portray her class 5. Ma'am Aisha from class 5.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, I want to thank OPVG School for creating such motivational thought in their students. I am Aisha Waheed and here to represent my class. Today, we are here to celebrate the Kashmir Day, the Solidarity Day of the Pakistan. That is not only restricted to a holiday or celebration, but it also demands us to feel their pain. Before utilizing more time, I want to invite my students. First of all, I want to call Ashar Asif for his speech.
Peace is like a flower, spreading like a shower.
refreshing from the morning sun, refreshing from the morning sun, what makes the world run. All of my respected teachers, principal, and my dear fellows, good morning to all of you. Today we are here to show our unity with innocent Kashmir, the most beautiful place on earth. They live on the Kashmir, which is now burning. The people of Kashmir are dying. The children of Kashmir are crying because they don't have toys to play with, and some of them even lost their parents in fighting for their rights. They want their rights. They want peace. Since India and Pakistan came in separate existence in 1947, the issue of Kashmir has been the main bone of dispute between two neighboring countries. India did not give any positive response to the solution. India seems determined on holding all the power structures in occupied Kashmir. The struggle in Kashmir has been going on for 4 years now, leading to the millions of innocent lives. The world community should also lend its support to the issue of Kashmir. They want their rights, they want their normal life, they want peace. Let's all awake and put the guy to rest. Let's try to do our heavening. Let's make a difference. Or Kashmir will become only a reference. Thank you.
Well done, Asher Asif. Now I want to call Dua Zara. She wants to share the feelings of the Kashmiri kids. Dua Zara.
क्या पूछता है वो किताबों में मिलूंगा मैं किए मासे हैं जो मैंने के वादों में मिलूंगा मैं आने वाला करूँ वो मुझे आज मारेगा कि उसका वहम होगा कि वो ऐसे ख्वाब मारेगा तुम्हारा होना इसलिए अच्छा लड़ा हूँ मैं बताया हूँ दुश्मन को उससे तो बड़ा हूँ मैं ऐसी कौम से हूँ जिसके वो बच्चों से लड़ता है बड़ा दुश्मन बना फिरता है जो बच्चों से लड़ता है बड़ा दुश्मन बना फिरता है जो बच्चों से लड़ता है उड़वाते हुए तुमने गले मुझको लगाया था अमानुल्लाह कहा मुझको मेरा बेटा बुलाया था खुदा के की राह में कहाँ से आ गया था वो जहाँ तुम चूमती थी माँ वहाँ तक आ गया था वो मैं ऐसी कौम से हूँ जिसके वो बच्चों से लड़ता है बड़ा दुश्मन बना फिरता है जो बच्चों से लड़ता है बड़ा दुश्मन बना फिरता है जो बच्चों से लड़ता है थैंक यू
Now I want to call Dua Amir for the poetry depicting the scenario of present Kashmir. Dua Amir.
Assalamu alaikum teachers and my all friends. चलो कश्मीर चलते हैं जहाँ पर फूल खिलते हैं जहाँ पर बर्फ पड़ती है जहाँ पर परियों की बस्ती में बेहाना टाइम चलते हैं जहाँ पर सरसब्ज खेतियों में खून की नदियाँ बहती हैं जहाँ पर दहशत का साया है जहाँ पर जनाजा है चलो कश्मीर चलते हैं. Thank you.
Well done, Dua Amir. Now I want to invite Ghalia for the speech in Urdu.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम गालिया है और आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ अपनी शहरक पर यानी कश्मीर पर. कश्मीर हमारी शहरक है और क्या कोई अपनी शहरक को काटने दे सकता है? बिल्कुल नहीं. शहरक जब कटेगी तो जिंदगी भी जाएगी. अगर हमें पाकिस्तान को जिंदा रखना है और पाकिस्तान को हंसता मुस्कुराता देखना है तो हमें अपनी शहरक यानी कश्मीर को भी बचाना होगा. कश्मीर हमारा कश्मीर जो जन्नत नज़ीर है, इसमें दुश्मनों ने काफिरों ने कब्जा किया हुआ है. अब जन्नत कभी काफिरों को मिली है? नहीं, जन्नत कभी काफिरों को ना मिली है और ना मिलेगी. आइए आज कश्मीर डे पर हम अहद करेंगे कि इस जन्नत को, अपने कश्मीर को दुश्मनों से आज़ाद करेंगे. हम कश्मीर के लोगों की आज़ादी के लिए आवाज़ उठाएंगे. जो हम कर सकते हैं वो भी करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, कश्मीर जिंदाबाद. शुक्रिया.
At last, I want to invite Muhammad Zayan for his speech.
Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers and my dear fellows. My name is Muhammad Zayan and today I am going to talk about Kashmir. I want to ask if anyone has seen an imaginary glimpse of heaven. If no, then I want to say, let's go to Kashmir. Kashmir is part of our country. The day of 5th February is not just about discussing the Kashmir Valley, but this day is also celebrated to show our unity and love for them. Being a Pakistani, it is very painful to see them in such a miserable and pathetic condition. They are our inseparable part. We will always be ready to do anything for the safety of our loved ones. At last, I want to say that being Pakistani, I will always support this heavenly area of loving people in every field. Thank you.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much. I want to invite Ma'am Zaryab to persuade us with her abstraction and stand for her class 6. Ma'am Zaryab from class 6.
Thank you, ma'am, for calling me to share my views. I am Zaya Maya, teaching in OBVG International School, and I am the class in charge of grade 6. As we all know, Kashmir Day is a national holiday in Pakistan on 5th February each year. Even Pakistanis all around the world on this day show their support and unity with the people of Indian illegally occupied Kashmir. I would also like to tell and remind you all that how Kashmir Day started. So basically, Kashmir Day was first proposed by Qazi Hussain Muhammad of Jamaat-e-Islami Party in Pakistan in the date 1990. We hope and pray that Kashmiris get their freedom soon. Ameen. Now my student Asmahan will like to share her thoughts on this day with you all. Asmahan, please continue.
I am Asmahan. I am from grade 6 UPVG International School. Respectable principal, teachers, staff, and all my friends. Assalamu alaikum. My topic is Kashmir. Today I'm going to share my thought about Kashmir Day. Kashmir is a place that is not less than heaven. The land is surrounded by beautiful mountains with beautiful lakes and garden of fruits. It is true that Kashmir is one of the most beautiful places in the world, and from then the people have faced so much difficulties, but they never felt disappointed, and they have never felt it is the property of India. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. This is all from our side.
Thank you so much. Now I request to all the students, if this meeting will end right now, then you have to join again. Okay? You have to join again when this meetings end. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
खून में डूबी हुई तस्वीर हूँ मैं, खून में डूबी हुई तस्वीर हूँ मैं, कश्मीर हूँ मैं, कश्मीर हूँ मैं. Now I would like to call the students from G7 First, I would like to call Hadia Abrar to incline us with his perception on Kashmir Day. Hadia Abrar.
Respected principal, teachers, and all my friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is on Kashmir Day. There is no need for us to continue to suffer and hurt each other. Today I am worried about the safety of the Kashmiri children and women, the most vulnerable to violence and the most likely to suffer losses in conflict. I hope all South Asians, the international community, and concerned authorities respond to their suffering, whatever disagreements we may have. We must always defend human rights, the safety of children and women, and focus on peacefully resolving the 7-decade-old conflict in Kashmir. Pakistan Zindabad, Kashmir Zindabad. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hadia. Now I would like to call Mahnoor to persuade us with her abstraction and stand for her classics. Mahnoor from classics.
कश्मीर तेरा हुस्न हुआ दर्द की तस्वीर, आंसू है तेरी आंख में, पैरों में है जिंजीर, देखा है जमाना ने तेरी जब्त का आलिम, पेयोस तेरे जिस्म में है जहर बुझते तीर, कुदरत ने चिनारों से किया तुझको मुजाइन, गजब ने बताया तुझे बारूद की जगीर, ए दस्ते सितमगर ये तुझे कौन बताए मुश्किल है बहुत, सीना है बेताब की तस्खीर बढ़ जाए, जहाँ जुल्म व सितम हद से ज्यादा आता है, वहाँ अर्श से परवाना ए तहरीर, वो कहते हैं